I'm SCJ Repair Shop. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I have received Redmi Note 9S with a very common issue. This phone sent to me by my valued customer with a lot of issue. No sounds. No camera front and back is not working, and even to put SIM card inside of it doesn't work anyway. Those issues will lead us where to find what is causing the problem. As I look to my schematic, all of them is directly connected to CPU itself. So I know how to fix it. This matter is very common in this models. And you don't need to blame yourself about what happened to your phone. Because it's not your fault. It is manufacturing issue. If you watch my previous video about this you will fully understand the main cause. As you can see there's no sounds coming out from unit. At this time I'll show you how to manage this issue. Here's how I solved it. Here's the CPU after I removed the bonding pads. And this is what exactly looks like when bonding pads has been done cleaning successfully. This is CPU after done cleaning and reballing. And this is how I prepare for installation. Okay. Done successfully. Assemble and testing. Alright. Redmi logo on screen. It means I have done successfully the process. Let's check all the functions one by one. Before I forgot guys, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. Alright. Camera is working. Also the video recorder is working fine. Okay. Sounds is working properly. I think the full function is now back to normal. So I need to check baseband for further checking. Alright. It seems the baseband works normally. And I think my client would very much happy for his phone with good as new performance. This is the end of my video guys. If you have more questions, just comment down below so I can help you as long as I can. Okay guys. I hope this video will help you a lot. And we can help each other by giving me a subscription to help me motivate to make a lot of video tutorials regarding in our repair industry. See you to my next video. Bye bye.